Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, I'm here today to talk to you about a few things. One was, you know, I have been diagnosed with POTS, and I do have low blood pressure, very low blood pressure. I've had it where it went as low as 63 over 38. And at that point, that's when my husband takes me to the emergency room. And then when I go to the emergency room, they end up putting IVs in me, and they keep me there a few hours getting fluids. And the fluids will then raise my blood pressure. But I don't know if any of you know me, you know I'm always walking around with my bottle of water. And I keep multiple ones of those because with POTS, I am so dehydrated. And if I don't drink enough water, I get sores on my tongue. And then when I eat certain foods, it hurts. So I've been dealing with that for about a year now. And my doctors tell me to increase my salt. So I do. I increase my salt. I've been using sea salt, trying to go healthy. But I decided to try the pink Himalayan salt. There's a lot of nutritions in here. Or a lot of, not nutritions, but minerals in here. But it will help with your electrolytes. And that's my problem. I have very low electrolytes. So this should help raise my electrolytes. Now this, you can use it in cooking, you know, sprinkling on your food, but you can also bathe in this. I bathe in Epsom salt. I've never bathed in Himalayan salt, so I'm gonna give this a try. Yeah, I'm gonna see how this works for me, and if it does, you know, I'll keep buying it because, oh, my nose is itching. I need something, but you know, it's all natural. It's 100% Himalayan salt. It is from Pakistan. It says it's great for cooking, curing, and serving. And then it also will tell me how to take a salt bath, which I already know how to do. So there's 84 inherited trace elements that naturally occur in pink Himalayan salt. Yes, I read that off the back, folks. I want to make sure I get all this right, but it is vegan. It is kosher, and it's all natural. So this is from saltsworldwide.com, and I will put a link to their website down below, and I'll let you know how it is. Stay tuned. This will be probably a week-long video, so I can get some use in this, but I figured I'd start it now. So starting now, I'll see how this works, and I'll let you guys know, okay? Bye. Alright, I've been using this Himalayan pink salt now for about a week. I want to say about a week. And I use a lot of salt due to my health condition. And I'll tell you, my foot has not been swelling all week. I have been using this. I even tried it in my bath the other night, and my feet were really sore. This really helped my feet. I like this stuff. Yeah. Pink it's Pink Himalayan Salt by Salts Worldwide. I'll put a link to their information down below so you can go on and check out their products. But yes, I definitely highly recommend the Pink Himalayan Salt. And it's pink. How can you not love it? It's pink. Alright guys, bye.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ring.
And come back and see Yammy some more.